Ganesh and I welcome you to JoyGeeks. This is my little one.
Hi.
Meera. She wanted to do a daughter does my makeup challenge for a really long time. Now that she's turned 11, I said, okay, maybe you can do it. But there's a twist to it, right?
Yeah.
What is the twist?
That I'll be given 15 minutes.
Yeah.
And it'll be time.
We are going to keep a timer. She has already selected her products. I'll quickly take you through a flashback of what product she selected and how she did that. What do you want, Meera?
YouTube link.
What is it?
YouTube link.
YouTube link. Okay, what all you're going to do?
I don't know anything. I'm just doing anything.
Select. So she has selected this so far. She liked these two palettes. She wanted a pink color something. So she's taken this lipstick. This is Girl Next Door.
You don't know like that.
What is that?
I don't know the name. Under eye.
Acha, you mean concealer? This is okay. What are you? Which foundation you want? Liquid. Okay, let's see. Shall I give you this one? Okay, this beauty blender is good. Okay, next what you want?
Powder.
Powder. Which powder you want? Any powder?
I just pick everything.
You can take whatever you want.
I want
Which one?
eyebrow pen.
Okay. Okay, I'll give you from what I think.
And I want with that thingy, brush thingy.
Okay, spoolie you mean?
Yeah,
Yeah. Then what?
I want a pencil.
Yeah, where is the pencil?
Same size.
Next, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want next?
Eyeshadow brush.
Oh.
I want blush.
Whatever you want.
This is nice. I want this.
Because once we start the timer, then you won't be able to select anything. So it's better you select it now. Yeah, we're doing 15 minutes. Some kajal or anything you want.
I want mascara and eyeliner.
Okay. Eyeliner. I'll give you this one. Contour.
Highlighter. Highlighter.
What is highlighter?
Highlighter is to highlight.
Highlight means?
So, I don't know.
And contour means?
To make it like a star.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is what?
This is a contour stick.
Like this block.
Block.
I
Yeah. This is a block. Are you excited? Shall we begin? Yeah. Okay, so we are going to start the timer. Are you ready? My older daughter is going to shoot. So are you going to start the timer, Chisha? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
This is that angle.
दो मिनट हो भी गया हाँ it's sure. Okay, I'll put the list of whatever she's using in the description box. How to do? So what to do?
That's a sicking. That's a sicking. I like that. How much time is left? 10 minutes.
Sure. So whenever I do some makeup and if I have done the blush a little more, she said, "Mummy, you're looking chutki." Now let me see what you will do.
Oh, her blush is looking actually very nice.
The contour, the cream contour. Can ask some rapid questions, Ajisha. Make
Me?
it more fun. Yeah. Shiny. Highlighter, you said now you wanted.
I was supposed to put that thingy.
What is it? Contour. But you're putting the highlighter. Okay. How much time is left?
7 minutes.
Ooh.
Okay, I'll ask some questions. Okay. What's your favorite movie?
Life is beautiful.
That's a movie?
Yeah. That's a movie which you should see. So Meera wanted a palette which had yellow specifically, so I gave her the Yes Please from Colourpop. So I have to zoom out.
What is your favorite thing in your closet right now?
My fitness clothes.
Describe yourself as a teenager in 3 words.
Only 5 minutes left. Describe myself as happy-go-lucky, fun, and excited. Yeah.
Dark chocolate or white chocolate?
Dark chocolate.
Which is called meanness.
Okay. Continue.
What's in your handbag right now? Whatever you remember.
My sunglasses, my wallet, my stole, my lipstick, lip balm, mainly those things. Meera, how much time is left?
3 minutes.
3 minutes only, Meeru.
Yeah, it's looking so weird here.
Okay, no.
Mama, if your house was on fire, what 2 things would you run back in to get?
My children.
I knew you would say that. I just knew it. Two minutes. I know it's me.
Is it? I can't figure out from this part.
Just do Mom. I'm gonna use this one to make it.
Oh, she's gonna mix 2 shades.
Very nice.
Then
How to make this one?
trying to correct the fallout from the eyeshadow. How much time is left?
Oh my god, 15 seconds.
15 seconds only. What do you want to do?
Setting spray.
Setting sprays, yeah.
9 8 seconds.
No,
Let's start. Hey, only 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Push करके. I got a photo shot.
So weird.
Oh, only under the everything else. That is also you did last minute. You had to just put powder actually instead of that.
Yeah, I was gonna put powder, but then
You put foundation. That's okay, but otherwise I think my skin and all is looking very nice. My lipstick you did so well. Nah? Nah?
can I put little?
What do you want to put? Cheating.
Powder.
If you had a chance, what you would like to change?
I would like to change the this part, and I would like to blend the
Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes. Do it. Do it.
powder to
But I think you did a very good job with the skin and all the foundation is looking very nice. The blush is also not too bad. Can you zoom in? I want to show. Okay. Let me show now. Thank you. You did a good job. Give me puppy now. If you like this video, do hit on the subscribe button, like the video, and what else?
share and
Comment. Subscribe, I said. Yeah. And Akshay can also come in quickly. Let's say bye together. Come fast. Alright. See you.
bye.
Bye.